It's just sitting there on a plate. Now this is kind of more like an amusement ride at Six Flags, right? Have any of you ever been on those rides at a park where it's a big boat that swings back and forth? Or it's like a space shuttle that goes back and forth and goes around in a circle? Or maybe you've been on a roller coaster, and maybe that roller coaster makes some kind of motion, okay? It goes back and forth or something. Look at the surface of the water. What do you notice about the surface of the water? It's barely moving at all, is it? I mean, it almost looks like there's no sloshing. This is not you driving with a drink in your lap in a car. This is not sloshing around, but it's really water. It's normal water. Can you touch that for me, Stephanie? Touch the water. Is that Jell-O? No? What is it? That's pretty watery. That's pretty liquidy. But there's no problem here. And this is absolutely wonderful, and it continues to maintain that beautiful flat shape. Okay, we're going to freak out Lauren here. She walks by. Look out. Don't get wet. Don't get wet. Don't get wet. This is really water. So, I have a kind of water here, and we can even move in complete circles with it. Now, just like on an amusement park ride, if you go on a ride that goes in circles, they always give you a big harness over your shoulders because they wouldn't want you to fall out. But the water doesn't fall out here as long as I go quick enough. As long as I go quick enough around in a circle. What happens is the plate has to push so hard on the cup to keep it in a circle, and the cup has to push so hard on the water toward the middle to keep it in a circle. And I'm pulling on this rope really hard to keep it all in a circle. And that as it's trying to go in a straight line, I push it back toward the middle, and when it gets up at the top, gravity makes it want to fall. But even though gravity is making it want to fall, I still have to pull down even harder to keep the whole thing coming back down fast enough in a circle. Okay? So I can spin in a circle this way, which is really cool circular motion. Right? And I'm pulling toward the middle. That's the first idea of circular motion, because I'm pulling on this rope. And also, it wants to go in a straight line. That's the second idea of circular motion. We can even go in a circle like this way. What?